Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to draw a simple tree from the number or the letter Y. This is Y here. Y is on the ground. We can put some shades on it. Let's put little Y here. Another Y here. You see, we're drawing the Y in two lines because we're going to make it the branch of the tree. Then we can cover it like this. It takes very little time to draw a tree if we follow this technique. To make the tree more interesting, let's put some shades on each part of the detailed drawings. It will make the tree amazing. Doing the detailing on the drawing, maybe it takes some time, but it's for the better outlook of the drawing. So we need to do the detailing to make our drawings better and looks good. The drawing is almost done. So you see the simple tree, we just draw it from the letter Y. We can put the framing like this here in the picture. Okay, let's put some little grass at the ground. Okay, this is the simple drawing of a tree. It's not only simple but also it looks good. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends and family members about it. And please do the practice. You know, the more you practice, the more you will be expert and the more your drawing will be looking good. So keep practicing at home. Thank you so much. Have a good day.